Welcome to the future in your hands, the Samsung Tab S9 Ultra. This is more than just a tablet, it's a technological marvel designed to redefine the way you interact with the digital world. Let's talk about the display first. An impressive AMOLED screen that brings colors to life, ensuring a breathtaking visual experience every time you turn it on. And sound? You're in for a treat. The Tab S9 Ultra boasts quad speakers that produce high-quality audio, immersing you in a world of sound. Don't forget the new S Pen, a tool that transforms this tablet into a canvas for your creativity. The high-performance chipset is the cherry on top, delivering lightning-fast speed and power for all your tasks. The Samsung Tab S9 Ultra is not just a tablet, it's a revolution in your hands, setting new standards in the world of technology. Now, isn't that something to look forward to? Let's dive into the unboxing. Upon opening the box, you're greeted with the sight of the Samsung Tab S9 Ultra itself. Ah, the thrill of unboxing a new gadget, and what a gadget it is! The first thing you notice is the sleek design. The Samsung Tab S9 Ultra exudes an air of sophistication with its finely crafted glass and metal body. It's a testament to Samsung's commitment to design excellence, blending practicality with a touch of luxury. The tablet's weight is well distributed, feeling solid yet comfortable in the hands, a perfect balance that speaks volumes about the thought put into its design. Now, let's talk about the screen. The Tab S9 Ultra boasts a screen that is nothing short of impressive. It stretches edge to edge, creating an immersive viewing experience that pulls you into the content you're consuming. Whether you're catching up on your favorite shows or flipping through digital magazines, every image is crisp, clear, and vibrant on this expansive display. The bezels, they're practically non-existent. Samsung has done an incredible job of maximizing screen real estate while keeping the device compact and portable. This gives you a larger canvas to work with, whether you're sketching out ideas or typing up documents. As for the feel, the Tab S9 Ultra has a smooth finish, cool to the touch. It's a pleasure to hold, and even more so to use. The build quality is top-notch, as you'd expect from Samsung. There's a certain heft to it that reassures you of its durability, yet it's light enough for long periods of use. In a nutshell, the Samsung Tab S9 Ultra is a sight to behold and a delight to hold. Samsung has managed to pack a lot of power and functionality into a slim and stylish package, creating a tablet that's not just about performance, but also about the overall user experience. But wait, there's more in the box. Let's explore. Underneath the tablet, you'll find other items tucked away neatly. And oh boy, Samsung has really outdone itself this time. Let's dive in and see what we've got. First up, we've got a brand new S Pen. It's sleek, it's shiny, and it's got a nice weight to it. This isn't just any old stylus though, it's got Bluetooth functionality, allowing you to control your tablet from afar, whether you're playing a presentation or taking a group photo. It charges wirelessly too, so you won't have to worry about replacing batteries or plugging it in. Next, we have the USB Type-C cable. Now you might think it's just a cable, but oh no, this is the lifeline of your device. It's what you'll use to charge your tablet, transfer data, and more. It's durable and provides fast data transfer speeds, which is always a plus. Then we have the fast charging adapter. This isn't your average adapter. It's got a powerful output that allows for quick charging, meaning less time tethered to the wall, and more time enjoying your new tablet. It's compact too, making it easy to carry around whether you're heading to the office or jetting off on holiday. Lastly, there's the user manual. Now I know it's tempting to toss this aside, but trust me, it's worth a read. It's got everything you need to know about your new tablet. From setting it up to using the advanced features, it's your go-to guide for all things Tab S9 Ultra. And there you have it. That's everything you'll find in the box. Samsung has really thought of everything, ensuring you've got all the essentials to get started with your new Tab S9 Ultra. It's a complete package, and it's all yours to discover and enjoy. That wraps up our box content. Now let's get the tablet powered up. As we power up the device, we can't help but admire the vibrant display. The Samsung Tab S9 Ultra comes to life with a gentle press of the power button located on the right-hand side of the tablet. The boot-up process is impressively swift, a testament to the robust processing power housed within this sleek exterior. As we maneuver through the initial setup, the tablet's responsiveness is palpable. Each tap, swipe, and gesture is met with instant feedback, making the setup process a breeze. The display quality is nothing short of stunning. The colors pop with an intensity that's hard to describe, and the crystal clear resolution makes everything from text to images razor sharp. What's more, the adaptive brightness feature is quick to adjust to the ambient light conditions, ensuring optimal viewing comfort at all times. There's a palpable sense of fluidity and speed that makes the Samsung Tab S9 Ultra a joy to use, right from the first power-up. With the device powered up, it's time to dive into the key features. The Samsung Tab S9 Ultra is more than just a pretty face. It's packed with features that will make your tech heart skip a beat. First, let's start with the display. The Tab S9 Ultra comes with a vibrant Super AMOLED display. This isn't just any display, it's a 12.4-inch 2800 x 1752 pixels resolution screen that emits 16 million colors, making your viewing experience second to none. Whether you are streaming your favorite show or editing a photo, the colors pop, and the details are crisp and clear. Now, let's talk audio. The Tab S9 Ultra is equipped with quad speakers tuned by AKG. This means it has 4 speakers, 2 on each side, providing a surround sound experience. Whether you're in a video conference or watching a movie, the sound is immersive, drawing you into your content like never before. Next up, we have the new S Pen. This isn't your ordinary stylus. The S Pen has been redesigned to be more comfortable to hold, more responsive and more precise. It's like having a real pen but with extraordinary capabilities. You can create detailed drawings, take notes, and even control your tablet remotely with the S Pen. It's your magic wand that brings your ideas to life. Finally, we can't forget about the high-performance chipset that powers the Tab S9 Ultra. It's equipped with the latest Snapdragon 8 CX Gen 3, ensuring smooth and responsive operation whether you're multitasking, gaming, or streaming. It's like having a small supercomputer at your fingertips. Each of these key features, the Super AMOLED display, the quad speakers, the new S Pen, and the high-performance chipset, come together to create a user experience that's truly exceptional. They enhance every interaction, making the Tab S9 Ultra not just a device but a portal to endless possibilities. These features are what sets the Samsung Tab S9 Ultra apart, but let's summarize our unboxing experience. Unboxing the Samsung Tab S9 Ultra has been quite an experience. From the moment we first laid eyes on the sleek packaging, through the unveiling of the device itself, to the exploration of its many amazing features, this tablet has definitely left a lasting impression. The design of the Samsung Tab S9 Ultra screams sophistication. It's slim, lightweight, and extremely portable, making it a perfect companion for both work and leisure. The large display, complemented by a high screen-to-body ratio, offers an immersive viewing experience that's hard to beat. And let's not forget about the stunning Mystic Black finish, making the device not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. Moving on to the box contents, Samsung has gone the extra mile to ensure that all the essentials are included. Along with the tablet, we found a super fast charger, a refined S Pen, and a USB Type-C cable. The inclusion of the S Pen in particular is a nice touch, offering a more natural and precise way of interacting with the tablet. The initial setup was a breeze, thanks to the intuitive One UI interface. Within a few minutes, we were up and running, ready to explore the plethora of features this tablet has to offer. And speaking of features, the Samsung Tab S9 Ultra is packed to the brim with them. From the powerful Snapdragon chipset that ensures smooth performance, to the quad speakers tuned by AKG for an immersive audio experience, to the massive battery that promises all-day usage, this tablet truly delivers on all fronts. Not to mention, the dual camera setup and the expandable storage add more versatility to an already feature-rich device. All in all, the unboxing experience of the Samsung Tab S9 Ultra has been nothing short of exciting. It's evident that Samsung has put a lot of thought and effort into creating a device that not only meets but exceeds expectations. And there you have it, the Samsung Tab S9 Ultra, a tablet that truly defines the future in your hands. Curious? Link in description for more. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below for more content like this.